Oh dear God, no. Burning. Oh, actually, I'm blind now. No. Hi. What are you following me? You're following me. Spooky. Spooky! How dare you follow me? Are you annoyed yet? Yeah, I got nothing to do today. I haven't posted for a while because I haven't been at the house for a while. I hear voices. Bow, 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 bow. Oh, wait, how's it going, guys? Completely forgot to do this. Hi, how's it going? I'm gonna check out these noises because there's something going on in the front of my house. Down, 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 down. I have to make sure I don't show the address because I still don't know how to do any editing. Slowly figuring that out, very slowly. So I'm just gonna walk by with my hand over the camera. I'm just gonna like walk sideways so you can't see things. Oh, there's a spider web on me. There's a spider on me. I don't want web all over my face. There's literally web all over my face. Oh, the mail. The thing with the wait. Where is the address? Oh dear God. Is it today? What a name. Do. All these people. What in the world are they doing? I don't see them. Oh, I've spotted someone. Targeted some kids. I really got to cover that up. So da. I'm gonna check this out with you guys. Yay! Yeah. The deck is coming along. It's known as walking 500 inches. Hey, bro. There's something going wrong inside the front in the street. Oh. I thought they were just invading. I thought they were just invading. Boom!
That's here.
Oh, hello!
Hey, Red Chicken!
Hello. How is everybody?
Good, how about you?
Oh, I'm good. A couple of fires this afternoon to put out, but it all worked out.
What?
Yeah, I was like, Derek was pissed because I put that trailer in there. I didn't know where to put it last night, and so I had to get down there and help him. But then while I was there, then Michelle was freaking out because her son, Gianni, pulled his seatbelt on the van all the way across the car and around the headrest of the passenger seat on the other side of the van. And then it was locked and you couldn't extend it anymore to get it off, and Michelle was furious. But I'm glad she came and found me because I calmed the situation down and got her to stop yelling. Hello, my love. How are you? You're fine? What's wrong?
Did it? Slippy dippy. Flippy my hippie, dippy, zippy, zippy. There's apparently a block party. Someone just closed the door. I thought they were just, like, as you heard, I thought they were just invading my streets. And you just, like, look at me from the mirror, I look stupid. I'm all like, all crouched down, but you just see me, like, looking at the camera. Come, chugga. Pew, 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 pew. Spider web. Cut. Is there nothing there? Spider web. Where is it? Is there? Oh my goodness. Do you see that? Where is it? That is a spider. Oh, da. I'm out of you. So many spiders around. The moment you wander around, and then you see this.
I stopped
No,
while
that's great.
I was ahead.
I hear my parents. They'll never see me coming. Well, I have nothing else to do, so. Other than talk, and I don't think you want to see talk. Even though no one watches this video, so. See ya.